You're gonna be the sail guy?
Yep.
I like that job. Riker, the sail guy. Chase.
Yeah.
That's why I'm sitting next.
What are you doing, Rike?
Sailing?
Are you sailing?
Yeah.
Yeah, we are.
No, we're going 4 knots.
He's Riker the sailor, man.
Earlier we were going like 6.8, which was...
Are you serious?
Yeah, that was our max. I might have to go back out and poke around and check. I'm hearing like a thud noise that's coming from down below, so I'm gonna go poke around with our stuff and see if I can find what's making that noise.
Just tie it off and hold it right.
Alright, the guys are gonna go around the boats and then give me the slack so I can tie it on.
Right, Tor, watch out. You want to hand it to Mom?
I just kind of tied it off to our stairwell. They should take a crane tomorrow and hopefully haul it out. Green Cove Springs Marina is located on what used to be an old World War II Naval Air Station base built back in 1940. The base was designed to train pilots for landing operations on aircraft carriers. The facility was named Naval Air Station Lee Field in honor of Benjamin Lee, who had lost his life in England during World War I. By March of 1941, the base had over 4 5,000-foot runways, aircraft maintenance, and housing for military personnel. In 1946, they constructed 13 1,500-foot piers that extended out into the St. Johns River. This was to securely house the Navy's mothball fleet of World War II U.S. Navy ships. At the height, it had over 600 vessels stationed at Green Cove Springs. Back in 2009, the 1,500-foot piers rented by Green Cove Springs Marina were closed due to much-needed repairs. As you can see, the piers continued to go untouched and collapsed after multiple hurricanes caused damage due to the storm surge, which is why we had to battle so many pilings while we were in our slip at the marina. I think the marina pulled out at least 3 pilings while we stayed there. This by no means is the marina's responsibility, as they do not own these piers.
I'm gonna just take the radar off and look at it, see what's going on, and just look and see if the new one will fit up there. And then we just take a little bit of lithium grease. Awesome, this actually fits perfectly where the old one was. Our bolts are a little long, but I'm just gonna come up with something there, a little spacer. Here's the old cable, which I have to pull out. Here's our new cable, which I need to fish through. This is the data cable and then the power cable. So I was thinking of how to attempt to do this. So my idea is I'm going to drill a little hole through this old cable. I want to join these two together, but I want to try and keep them as narrow as I can when I join them together. So together with the other one, with the new cables, and then I'm going to try and fish. When I pull this back through, I'm going to use it to fish through the new stuff. So we'll see if it works. Got our hole in there, pulling my string through. I'm hoping that'll be a pretty low, streamlined way to pull that back through. All right, Holly's feeding the next wires down.
Pretty nervous about this. So many things they can get done.
Should be good.
Especially it being the...
Sorry about the crotch shot there. Here, I'll refocus. Hey. Got it. So I think we're pretty much where I just need to start passing these into the quarter berth, essentially. Quarter berth out. Let's go clean the quarter berth out a little bit. Alright, so Now I should be able to pull that out back down through there. It's worth not leaving dead wires, right? Okay, can you see it in there?
Yeah, I see it.
This one?
Yep. You're the zip tie master. I bet you got it. Ooh, Houston, we have radar.
That's cool. The drawbridge. A local limestone, the porous limestone is made from millions of seashells. The furnace fire is blazing hot. A team of soldiers prepare hot shots to fire at wooden warships, heating cannonballs until they glow. During a naval attack, one soldier tends the coal fire and loads the cannonballs. After 30 minutes, the other soldiers use tongs to remove the red hot shot and carry it to the guns along the seawall. The goal of hot shot was to set an enemy ship on fire. Interesting.
Oh yeah, sure enough, there's one right there. Yeah.
A little wet.
Kind of.
How funny, huh?
Can I check them?
They probably like hanging out around here because the insects. Look at this frog.
Where's the frog?
Oh, and there's a lizard here, a gecko maybe, and then here's a frog.
Yeah.
See, they're talking. Tori, you want to hold this guy?
He's a squeaky little
You want to
fella.
touch him? He won't hurt you. Touch him. He's kind of slimy. He's
Is
cool.
he a frog?
Here, put your hand in. This is the male, and this is the female. The male rides around on the female's back.
Why?
Because they're gonna make some baby frogs.
This is
Here,
frog.
but I'll go put them back on the wall.
Oh, this place is so cool.
It'll be fun to come back when it's open. So this is what you don't want to have happen to the handrail. I went to grab onto this, and it just like broke off. So look at how old and rusty it is. The heads of the bolts are just like breaking off, just like rusted right through. That's crazy. So anyway, these guys are no bueno. We'll clean all this. We'll take these out, reseal them, all that kind of stuff.